The truth be told, and there was never really a priority on my list that I had to go get a hair transplant. As a matter of fact, I just succumbed to the fact that I was going to be a bald-headed man. And it never really bothered me, and I had told Mike that when I first met him that time, it's not really a top on my bucket list that I got to get my hair done. But in the industry that I am, I still talk to the public, and people process what they see. And when some lady told me, "You remind me of my father," I said, "Well, thank you. I'll take it as a compliment." "No, thank you." And she pulls out a phone and shows me a picture of a 91-year-old guy. I said, "So I look 91 to you?" And when they walked away, I called my older brother on the phone. I said, "Guess what I'm doing?" "What?" "I'm going for a hair transplant. Because God willing, I'm going to be in the business world still another 10 years. When my health holds up, I don't want people looking at me, because people process what they see. Somebody who's a bald-headed old man, he's done. No, I'm not done. I got 10 times the go-go juice for most 30-year-olds. So why not do something for myself, which I never do?